I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai i20. This is the Active and it does come with a really good specification. This car has recently been taken as part exchange, and because of its fantastic condition and low mileage, we've decided to retail it on our main dealer Ford Corp. This car comes with Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone along with a CD radio. You've also got electric folding mirrors and full electric windows. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.